Happy summer. So along with the summer comes a lot of heat and a chance to get out and get all your flowers watered. So I'm going to take a couple seconds to talk to you a little bit about watering. First thing is, most important is your tools. This is a dram wand. This is a dram nozzle. It makes super nice soft water, small water particles for your plants. This is the same wand that we use in the commercial greenhouse. If you take good care of them, it's a little bit of an investment. It's about 30 bucks. And it'll last for years and years. But the nice thing about the dram wand is it gives you a nice soft water pattern, and it allows the moisture to soak into the ground. So the best time to water is early in the morning. Get out, get your cup of coffee, and get everything a nice soak. One of the big mistakes that people make when they're watering is they'll water the individual plants like this and not water the rest of the bed. But what you really want to do is kind of paint like you're painting a wall, or put in a roller on a wall to paint. Because if you leave dry spots in your beds, it'll pull the moisture away from the plants, and the soil's trying to even itself out. So take your time, enjoy it, and get everything a nice good drink. 2 or 3 times a week would be great.